Aqaba, Jordan, by Alice Phillips. Morning, setting sail. I woke up that morning with the kind of excitement that makes your heart thump like a drum. The sun had barely cleared the hills surrounding Aqaba, but the Red Sea already shimmered like polished glass. It was my first snorkeling tour here, and just walking toward the dock felt like stepping into an underwater dream waiting to happen. The moment I boarded the boat, I felt the breeze teasing my hair and the salty air whispering promises. Our small group, a cozy dozen, was buzzing with anticipation. The guides welcomed us with warm smiles and a casual grace that made it all feel effortless. As the boat slipped away from the shore, Aqaba's coastline slowly retreated behind us, revealing the deeper blues of the sea ahead. The sky stretched forever, a flawless expanse of light, snorkeling into another world. Then came the moment. Fins on, mask snug. I slipped into the sea. Instantly, the world went quiet. Everything above disappeared in a blur of sunlit ripples, and below was magic. Corals in blush pinks and burnt orange bloomed like secret gardens. Tiny anemone fish peeked out from waving sea fans. Schools of glimmering silver fish darted past me like shooting stars. I even spotted a shy moray eel poking its head from a crevice, its neon green body undulating slowly. The water was so clear it was like hovering in liquid glass. I could have floated there for hours. Every turn of my head revealed new color, new movement, a new marvel. It was peaceful and thrilling all at once, like meditating in a kaleidoscope. At one point, I surfaced and just laid on my back, letting the Red Sea cradle me. I looked up at the sky and laughed, half in awe, half because I couldn't believe how wildly beautiful it all was. Lunch and stories on board. After our snorkeling sessions, we returned to the boat, where lunch was being prepared. There's something about eating outdoors on the water that makes every bite taste better. We gathered around shared plates of fresh, local dishes. I remember grilled chicken, rice, vegetables, simple, satisfying food that warmed you from the inside. Conversations flowed as easily as the waves around us. I spoke with a couple from Italy who'd been diving around the world, and a woman from Australia who'd just hiked Petra. We shared stories, sunburn tips, and Instagram handles. Afterward, back to shore. As the boat glided back to shore, I watched the sea change color once again, from sapphire to turquoise to soft teal. The warm breeze had a hint of goodbye in it, but I was full, not just from the food, but from the richness of the day. Feet back on dry land, I turned once more to the sea. I'd left part of myself out there among the coral gardens. Summary of the day. The Red Sea is not just a destination, it's a living, breathing canvas of color and calm. I came to snorkel, but I left with a heart full of wonder and salt-slick memories I'll keep forever.